You know how parents say that they love their children very much? I've heard parents say things like, I do everything for him, or, I have set aside my entire life for my child, or I have sacrificed so much for my child. And they say all these things and they feel like, yeah, the child should know that, the parent loves them. But the problem is, like, when you think about a healthy relationship, and it's not even like just the relationship with your children, any relationship, it takes work to maintain a relationship, right? If you think about your relationship with your spouse, maybe, or with your friends, with your colleagues, there are certain things you have to do to be able to maintain that relationship in a healthy way. And the more intimate the relationship is, the greater the effort has to be, right? So the effort that you put in to be able to love your colleagues in the right way is not the same effort that you put in to be able to love your family members in the right way, right? So if you think about love as a feeling of affection, as a feeling of intimacy, as a feeling of, wanting this person to be in your life, then that feeling is not enough to maintain that relationship in a healthy way. But if you think about love in terms of action, if you think about love in terms of being willing to change, being willing to do things for the well being, for the sake of the other person, then that's the kind of love that you need to be able to maintain healthy relationships with your family, with your friends, with, and especially with your children, right? So I don't mean to say that you have to completely change everything about yourself to be able to love someone. That's not the point. There is a core of who you are, there is a core of your personality that you don't really need to change. But then there are behaviors that you might need to change, that you might need to modify. There may be certain behaviors that are hurting your relationship that you might have to replace with more useful, more beneficial behaviors. And there may be ways in which you are expressing love which does not come across as love to the other person, because that's a completely different person, right? The way they feel loved may not be the way that you feel loved. So maybe the way you're expressing love is not something that's working for the other person. A lot of things you have to take into account when you are in a close relationship with anybody, and that includes your children. Especially with children, there is a moral responsibility on parents, on the adults around that child, to love that child in this action based way, rather than being all like, oh, I feel love for my child. Feeling love for someone, having good intentions for someone, does not mean that you're going to have a healthy relationship with them, especially with children. So just because you love them, just because you want the best for them, or just because you have good intentions for them, does not mean that your behavior is helping them, or improving your relationship with them, right? So that is where the feeling of love is not enough, and you have to think of love as an action. You have to think of love as the effort you put in to be able to be the parent, to be able to behave as the parent that your child needs. And every child will need a different version of their parent. Every child will need a different kind of parent. Every situation will call for a different phase of the parent, right? It's not always going to be the same, and every child is not going to need the same things. So loving a child, truly loving a child, would mean studying the child, understanding the child, and then modifying our own behavior to help the child thrive, to help the child have a healthy childhood, to maintain a good relationship with the child, to guide them, to train them, to educate them, to ensure that they grow up to be well adjusted, well balanced, happy, healthy adults. So it's not enough to just love your child if you see love as a feeling. You have to love as an action. You have to express your love for them in the way you learn about them, in the way you try to understand them, and in the way you try to modify your behavior, modulate your behavior according to the needs of your child.